I want to show you what I discovered here while I am in Europe. Normally, I live in US and I am a TikTok shop seller and TikTok shop affiliate in United States. However, I came here to Europe for my cousin's wedding and I'm staying in my house that I used to grow up. So don't mind the background, okay? I know it's maybe less professional that I used to have, but it doesn't matter. I want to show you the information that I discovered while I'm here. So this is my phone. This phone has a US SIM card. And right now I am logged into my US LTE, okay? So as you can see, it has LTE on it, T-Mobile. That's the service I have from US, okay? And when I log into TikTok on my phone, while I'm on the LTE, okay, as you can see it still says LTE US, I can access the shop tab, okay? I can access TikTok shop. Here, let me show you. Okay, boom. I can buy stuff, I can do everything. Even if I go to my brand account that I use for promoting this YouTube channel, and I go to TikTok Studio, okay, this is the TikTok Studio. I can see the way of monetization for this TikTok account. One of them is gonna be a TikTok shop, okay? TikTok shop for seller. Right? Cool. Now, the moment I log into the local Wi-Fi, so I am in Poland, so whenever I log into the Polish Wi-Fi, okay, check this out. I just logged in to the Wi-Fi, okay, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, and now I'm gonna go to TikTok. Actually, I have to close the app and reopen it, so let's do this really quick. I no longer have the shop tab, okay, I cannot access that. Instead of have a stem tab for some reason. Even if I go on live streams, right? I don't see live streams from US. I see live streams from like Poland and some other parts of the world, but nothing from US. So I cannot access the TikTok shop live streams, okay? Let's see if someone in US is actually doing a live stream right now from people that I follow. It might be too early, but let's switch back to LTE again. So now I'm logged into American internet and check this out. I see TikTok shop again, okay? I can click on the products, I can buy them. So let's actually follow this person and I'm gonna log into the Wi-Fi again. And let's go back to the same profile, see if I can see the TikTok shop. I'm logged into Wi-Fi. This is the account, the Bird Dogger. I click on their live. This is the same live we just were watching, but as you can see, I don't have option to click on the product, okay? I don't see it. I don't have a TikTok shop. Why am I telling you this? I think this is a very important discovery for people that want to either sell on TikTok shop or do TikTok affiliate from outside US, okay? And I might be completely wrong, and this is also risky, but what I think you can do if you want to do it from outside US, you need a US company like an LLC. You need a US tax ID like an EIN. And most importantly, you need a US phone with US SIM card and US internet. So you cannot log into the Wi-Fi if you want to do the TikTok shop affiliate from outside US. But if you have these three things, and obviously an account that's eligible to become a TikTok affiliate, which usually means like you need to have 5,000 followers, etc., you can do TikTok affiliates and then get products too. I mean, so I guess you need that too. But I think there's a way to do TikTok affiliates. Do not use VPNs, okay? If you use VPNs, you look suspicious, TikTok is gonna ban you. Do not use VPN. I'm not using VPN. I'm just using the internet I get from my internet provider, which is T-Mobile, which I get from US. Do not use VPN, be normal, be local, get a US phone number and SIM card and US company and you should be good. And I'm gonna have a links for most of these things down below. There is a service I use, Busy, which allows you to open an LLC in US and you can get also a tax ID. And I think that's the way to do TikTok affiliate or TikTok shop from outside the US. Do not use VPN, just let it be natural. And I wanted this video to be quick and authentic. And if you find it valuable, drop a like, join the Dropshipping Guild, our Discord community and the courses. And let me know in the comments if you're gonna do this. I'll see you next time. See ya.